metal condition it, and where it'll go. This brace underneath is galvanized from the factory.
This is the end of the actual floor pan. So if somebody was to sell you a floor pan out of another car, just like this, it will come all the way up to here, this brake line. And then from this brake line, everything up is a part of the trunk floor. You know what I mean? So if you remember, Mr. Rich made a brand new back piece because he started with a smaller piece and then realized that whole piece was rotted out, so he made a new piece. Well, on the front side of it, you still can see the corrosion areas here on the corner, peeping through there, all of that. So the best way to do it is to make another strip, and I'm gonna let him explain that, you know, what he's gonna do finishing up here, what we got going on over here like that. So it's just, now looking at it, you know, from the floor pan forward, you know, you've seen from the beginning to the end, all of the metal work that was done, the firewall correction, the cowl piece that was done up top, and then the modification for the smooth firewall. So technically, the only area that have an opportunity to have more rust at this point is the rear seat. Underneath the seat here, we're gonna grind this down. Mr. Rich is gonna polish this up, do some channel checking here to see if we find any more corrosion. But pretty much everything else is built, bro. It's stout. All of it's new metal. You know, so
It's solid.
the you know, the new PC added here. You know, all of that came out real nice. So I think it's coming together real sweet, man. We probably got 70% of the rust out that was here. Like, and then if you seen the video in the last video, you guys obviously seen how much rust was in it, you know, because Justin took you back from the initial inspection when we got it up on the rotisserie. Mr. Rich was looking at all of the areas once he cleaned and cut out the rust. And then we was just visualizing what's gonna be our next move as far as the tubs, how we're gonna correct it, save the convertible top mechanism functionality, and still give you a wider tub. Coming together smooth, man. VTSV Auto, man.
You know, it could have been worse. I mean, it was, you can see in here, it's pretty crappy. But, yeah. Now it'll have the nice new, it's already got the inner piece already is in there. You can see it inside looking at it. You got that's already in. I'm gonna weld that into the existing floor pan. I'm gonna weld, that's the new channel on the inside underneath. I'm gonna weld that all the way across on the floor there. And then I'm going to lap in the new piece. And that way it'll be all rust proofed underneath. We'll weld it in and it'll be solid.